The first unit, Unit 1, Nature and Significance of Management. From this unit, I have forwarded 5 important questions. Question number 1 is Concept of Management. In this concept, you learn the meaning of management and a possible writer definition of management for maximum 2 marks, 2 to 3 marks. Okay. Next question is Objective of Management. Okay. Objective of Management, you learn what are the different objectives, organizational, social, individual, and give one example of organizational objective. Question might become give to example of social objective. So example you study of objective of management for 3 marks. Third question is explain the different functions of management. All of you know it is the most important question from the chapter. Function, there are different functions: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. So these functions you study very well. Next important question is why management is said multidimensional. Yes, management is multidimensional because it has many dimensions. Yes, management of work, management of people, and management of operation, for which it is said management is said multidimensional. You prepare this question for 3 marks. The last question from this unit, question 5, concept of coordination and importance. Okay, learn about the meaning of coordination and its importance for 3 to 5 marks. Next, unit 2. From unit 2, principles of management, you study nature of principles of management for 3 to 5 marks. You learn the features, universal, okay, principles are flexible, those kind of things. You study nature of principles of management for 3 to 5 points you study. Next, the most important question from unit 2 is 14 principles of Henry Fayol. Okay, so you have to study these 14 principles. It might come for 8 marks also. Explain 8 principles given by Henry Fayol, or in other way the question might also come. What do you mean by division of work? What do you mean by centralization and decentralization? In this way also question come. Okay, don't skip any of the principles given by Henry Fayol. Okay, next question number 3, difference between unity of command and unity of direction. You study this question, at least 3 points you study, 3 difference you study. Okay, unity of command and unity of direction. Next question from chapter 2 is what meaning of scalar chain. It might come for 3 to 5 marks. If the question definitely come, then explain scalar chain. 5 marks, it might come. So you study the whole concept of scalar chain with proper figure or diagram. Next question from unit 2 is principles given by F.W. Taylor, which is commonly known as scientific principles of management. That question also you to study for 5 marks. These are important questions from unit 1 and 2. And another unit I have brought in this video is unit 3, business environment. Okay, from business environment you study the meaning and concept of business environment. Next, features of business environment, at least 3 to 4 points you study regarding features of business environment. Next, the most important question of unit 3 is dimension of business environment. Yes, or components of business environment. Okay, components of business environment are economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment. Yes, you study its component from 2 example of economic environment, 2 cause of social environment, 2 reasons of technological environment. Yes, in 1 or 2 mark question it might ask. Okay, culture come under which business environment, then you have to write social environment. In this way you have to study regarding the dimensions of business environment. Okay, you prepare this answer. Next important question is impact of economic reforms after new economic policy. Means after adopting the new economic policy, what reforms has come. among the nation, among the people, among the living standard of people. For this reason, impact of reform you study at least 3 points. Okay, minimum 3 points you study regarding impact of reforms. Next and the last question, you study about example of general force. What do you mean by specific force and example? Okay, what are the component comes under general force, what are the components comes under specific force, you study with two example, because 1-2 marks it might come. Okay, another thing I want to say that though LPG, though liberalization, privatization has been deducted, but you go through it. Okay, what is the meaning of liberalization? What is the meaning of privatization? What is the meaning of globalization? It is not required to go in there, but the simple meaning you just prepare and go to your examination hall, because no one knows, because LPG is one of the important topic from this chapter, so related question might come. Okay, these are certain important question. Yes, hope it will give certain benefit to you all. Okay, prepare the answer. Okay, go through your books and hope you will get the best of it. Thank you.